area chart is best for showing cumulative trends over time. Say, for example, our YouTube channel on January had 1,000 subscribers, February 3,000, March 6,000, April 10,000, and in May 15,000. So area chart will best describe that. In order to obtain this chart, select your data set, insert tab, recommended charts, and you can see the area chart there. So that's how I obtained that chart. And then you can format your chart as necessary. The title there, I changed it to "How fast is our channel growing?" And I know that these are months, but the chart doesn't say exactly what these values are, and we know that they are subscribers. So we can introduce axis title, and we are interested in the vertical one. So while it is selected like that, you can come to the formula bar, put an equal sign, and just click here and enter. There you have it. Control B to bold it, and you can change it to the color of your liking. Alright. Again, these values, I usually want them displayed in terms of K for thousands. So in this case, 2K, 4K, like that. So while they are selected, I can right click and I can go to format axis and come to this number format, change the category to custom, and use this form. In this case, they are not, it's not currency, so let me change it. Just want it to display 0. If you want to increase the number of decimal places, you can put decimal point. If you put 0 there, that will introduce one more decimal place. Another one will introduce another decimal place. But in this case, I don't want the decimal places. So 0, put comma, double quotes, capital K, double quotes. Let me add it. And there you have it. So now looks good. Looks good.